reduce stretch marks or how to remove stretch marks. Yeah, I've bought you some ointment which will reduce your stretch marks. Yeah, this is the box and I will open it. Okay, let me open it. Wait a second. Yeah, it's a very cost effective thing. Everybody can buy this, and stretch marks are removable. This is the cream, guys. This is the cream. Guys, stretch marks is not removable. I'm sorry to say that many people will get hurt by listening this, but stretch marks nahi jayega. It will not go. Once it is turned white, stretch marks is turned white, it will never go, guys. Okay guys, the reason why I'm making this video is because in these many days of lockdown, I was pretty active in social media like in Instagram. I was checking out the pages of so-called fitness models, so-called fitness trainers, and so-called fitness, health, beauty tip givers. I'm not telling that everyone is telling wrong information. The thing is, they are telling that stretch marks is removable. Sorry guys, it might hurt many people, but stretch marks is not removable. Once it has occurred in your body, it will never go out. भाई एक बार आ गया ना, वो नहीं जाएगा. The fitness tip and fitness models, they are telling that it will go easily by putting some paste like haldi paste, वो paste, they paste. नहीं जाएगा भाई. वो सोच रहे हैं कि वो डोर है, ऐसा डोर फिर से रिपेंट कर सकते हैं बॉडी को. नहीं भाई, वो ऐसा नहीं होता है. स्किन एक बार फट गया ना तो फिर से रिपेयर नहीं हो सकता. द थिंग इज, यू कैन गो फॉर लेजर ट्रीटमेंट और समथिंग, or you can do some prevention for that. You can prevent getting stretch marks, like you can put cocoa butter before workout, or you can apply egg whites. You can do suntan. I do suntan often, like often days I go to sun. Let me explain how many layers are there in our skin. I've made a small diagram to explain you guys how our skin is. Yeah, there are 3 layers in skin. The very first layer is epidermis. The first layer, ये है ना first layer, इसे epidermis कहते हैं. And the second layer is called dermis, जो middle में रहता है skin. एपिडर्मिस और एपिडर्मिस के मिडिल में रहता है, उसको डर्मिस कहते हैं. और द लास्ट लेयर, फाइनल लेयर, जिसको कहते हैं हाइपोडर्मिस, जो लास्ट में, जो स्किन फटने लगता है ना, तब एपिडर्मिस पे लोड पड़ता है. जब आप ओवर लिफ्ट करते हो या हेवी वेट करते हो, या बहुत ही जल्दी वेट गेन कर लिया आपने, या आप ओवर वेट हो गए, लाइक फैट हो गया, तब आपको स्ट्रेच मार्क्स पड़ते हैं. स्ट्रेच मार्क्स एक्चुअली कभी भी नहीं जाएगा. द फर्स्ट टाइम जब स्ट्रेच मार्क्स आएगा वो थोड़ा रेडिश रहेगा, पर्पलिश, देन इट विल टर्न टू पर्पलिश, देन इट विल टर्न टू व्हाइट, एंड देन इट विल टर्न टू सिल्वर टाइप व्हाइट, एंड देन इट विल, after the time goes, it will come back to your skin color. Like, if you want to remove that, give it some. Like, you can't get completely rid of that. You can just see that, like, there's stretch marks like your skin color. It will not look so ugly. The thing is, you can give some time to your body. You should give some time to your body. You should let it heal. थोड़ा गैप दो अपने वर्कआउट को, लाइक 2 months गैप दो. लाइक हो गया ना लॉकडाउन पे 2 months गैप शायद हो गया. अब थोड़ा हील करता रहेगा बॉडी. और जब हैवी लिफ्ट करोगे ना, जब जिस दिन आप हैवी लिफ्ट करोगे, हैवी लोड, हैवी वर्कआउट, हैवी लिफ्ट करोगे, जब स्किन टेयरिंग चांसेस होगा ना, तब नेक्स्ट डे आप ऑफ ले सकते हैं. And the people who are marketing such creams that which will remove stretch marks, I don't want to tell any brand name, but those creams in the market are waste, guys. Waste, completely waste. You can ask women who are pregnant that how difficult it is to remove the stretch marks. It is not possible that a stretch marks comes and you can remove it by that applying that cream, vagera, falana, dakana and all. Yeah, any brand can't remove that stretch marks, guys. Only the thing is you can do is laser treatment. You can go for laser treatment, and that is not 100% result also. Then आप laser treatment करवाओगे और stretch marks चलाया जाएगा, वो झूठ है. 100% नहीं चला जाएगा, पर 80 to 90% चला जाएगा. Then you can give some time to your bro. Even I have stretch marks. I was 106 kgs. Now I'm 71. I lose my weight, and I train a lot also, and I lift heavy weights. By that I'll get stretch marks also. It's not a thing that only some people get stretch marks and some people look ugly. भाई सबको आता है stretch marks. Even I get stretch marks. Everyone gets stretch marks. Like 100 में कुछ 2% लोग या 3% या 5% लोग होते हैं जिनके स्किन गिफ्टेड होते हैं, जो स्ट्रेची होते हैं स्किन उनका, जिनका स्ट्रेच मार्क्स नहीं आता. मीन्स they will not get stretch marks. Yeah, guys, even I have stretch marks. I take it as a tiger prints which I have in my body. Like, it's kind of funny, but yeah, I think it's like a tiger marks which I have in my body. Even you should think about that, guys. You should never be ashamed of your body. You should never be thinking your body is ugly or something. Be happy what you got. Yeah, the prevention of stretch mark, you can prevent it by applying mustard oil before workout. You can add cocoa butter before workout. You can add some fruits like which contains citrus in it. Orange, musambi, lime, which contains citrus in it. You can have that, or you can have some supplements like fish oil. Like you can get it from natural source also. Like you can get it in walnuts, or you can get it in supplements like omega-3 fish oil, which will enhance your skin, which will give your skin a very good glow, or which will increase your skin quality. It is the thing which fish oil does to your body. Yeah, the thing is, yeah, stretch marks will never go out from your body. It's a permanent thing. And the person who tells stretch marks is easily removable by this treatment, like applying some ointment or applying some paste, something, tell them घंटा नहीं जाएगा भाई, नहीं जाएगा. एक बार आ गया, एक बार स्किन फट गया तो फट गया, फिर से वो रिपेयर नहीं होगा. प्लीज इन लोगों से दूर रहिए, प्लीज. And if you want any other videos about fitness or any other information about fitness, any diet tips, any workout tips, you can get back to me or give a small comment in my comment section. I will make another video for you guys, and I am there to help you guys. Okay, bye. Dhanush Chauhan.